block to install it. This is the basic part of a car. The frame carries all the other parts. Let's install waffle boosters. Waffle boosters allow the truck to float above the ground and deliver ice cream 10 times faster than on wheels. Now install the Ice Drive 1000 engine. The Ice Drive 1000 engine propels the truck. It can run 24 hours without stopping and always stay cold. We need to install a Magic Snowflake generator. The Magic Snowflake generator stores the energy of cold necessary for the work of the truck and its equipment. Install the tank with glacier fuel. The glacier fuel is needed to make the engine work and to keep it always cold. Now let's install the freezer of eternal cold. The freezer of eternal cold preserves low temperatures, storing the ingredients needed to create the most delicious ice cream. We need to install heated seats. These seats are very comfortable. They're made of special materials that remain warm in all weather conditions. These are the controls of a car. They include a steering wheel, pedals, a gearbox, and a dashboard. Let's install them. All these things are necessary for a driver to control the car. And now we need to install a body. Body is the exterior part of the car, which is attached to the frame. Install the headlights of Frosty Glow. The headlights of Frosty Glow illuminate the path of the truck in the dark and cool the road in front of it. There is a huge ice cream cone left to install. A huge ice cream cone is always visible from afar, so that children and adults can enjoy most delicious ice cream. You're doing really great. We did it!